Deadly nightshade. It is widely recognized that every part of this plant, including its deceptively appealing berries, is toxic if consumed. However, it may come as a surprise that its harmful effects can commence merely through physical contact. As reported by the U.S. Forest Service, the toxins present in deadly nightshade, such as hyoscine and atropine, can lead to severe skin reactions, including swelling, itching, and potentially blistering and oozing. Furthermore, these toxins can be absorbed through the skin. The situation becomes even more dire when A. belladonna is ingested. The symptoms can vary from blurred vision and headaches to hallucinations and convulsions, and even small quantities of deadly nightshade can prove to be lethal. Gympie-Gympie. If you wish to avoid enduring excruciating pain for an extended period, it is highly recommended to refrain from touching Dendrocnide moroides, commonly referred to as the stinging tree, or Gympie-Gympie. Indigenous to Australia, this plant may appear innocuous. Indeed, to an untrained observer, it could easily be confused with a typical stinging nettle. However, there is a reason why it is often labeled as the most painful plant in the world. Its surface is adorned with minuscule hairs capable of penetrating the skin, which also contain a neurotoxin that remains active regardless of environmental conditions. Consequently, the severe pain it induces can persist for months. Additionally, the neurotoxin may trigger a serious allergic reaction known as anaphylactic shock. To further dissuade you from interacting with Gympie-Gympie, consider the first-hand experience of environmental scientist Les Moore, who recounted to Australian Geographic that he resembled Mr. Potato Head after encountering the plant. I believe I experienced anaphylactic shock, and it took several days for my vision to return to normal, Moore stated. Within moments, the initial stinging and burning escalated, and the pain in my eyes felt as if acid had been poured on them. My mouth and tongue swelled to such an extent that I struggled to breathe. It was utterly incapacitating, and I had to navigate my way out of the bush in a dazed state. Water hemlocks. The term hemlock, commonly associated with a toxic plant, encompasses several species, including the 4 varieties of water hemlock that belong to the genus Cicuta and are native to North America. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service identifies the spotted water hemlock, Cicuta maculata, as often called the most deadly plant in North America. Similar to deadly nightshade, all parts of these 4 species are highly toxic due to the presence of various harmful compounds, notably cicutoxin. This neurotoxin is capable of being swiftly absorbed through both the skin and the gastrointestinal tract, subsequently affecting receptors in the brain and leading to symptoms such as vomiting, convulsions, and seizures. If not treated promptly, poisoning from water hemlocks can rapidly progress to fatality, with death occurring typically 2 to 3 hours after the onset of symptoms.